What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. We're gonna do another VLM job. Now recently I've been doing a lot of VLM, but just things happen to working that way. Parked way over there, so you know, hoses would be hitting the limits anyway. But this is commercial glue down carpet, so we're doing VLM. It's the best process to do on this type of carpet. VLM means very low moisture. If anybody, usually referred as a portable hot water extraction unit. It's kind of like a truck mount, but it's a portable unit. So as you can tell, we got some pretty heavily used carpet here. You know, it's a daycare center. So right now I got the 20 volume, and I'm gonna go around and hit all these spots here, which I think that's probably organic urine. I don't know if all this is, but I think the lady, when she showed me around, she was actually pointing at it saying it was urine. So let me hit that with that real quick. Okay. So as you can tell, we got a lot of really damage. You know, I told her most of this stuff it's not going to come out, but we'll get it looking a lot better. We got food product right here. I'll probably get out the bone scraper for that. Some color. They did a vacuum, but we're doing another vacuum because it didn't do too thorough of a vacuum. Small room here. Hit this one. Then back here we got another room, a large room. Yeah, so this stuff's pretty soiled up as well. For this carpet, I'm not going to be using the Power Flight, just pre-scrub. I'm going to use the black brush. The black brush, to me, scrubs the best out of everything, but it's just not convenient sometimes. But when you're in a large commercial area, it works just fine. So if you're just getting into this business, and first thing you want to do is go ahead and kind of figure out what the spots are. 20 volume works on anything organic, so coffee, wine. I doubt there's wine in the daycare. Urine, blood. So I'm gonna let that sit. All right, I'm gonna get set up here. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts. I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. All right, all finished up. Good as this carpet's gonna get. This carpet's about 30 years old. Lady that showed me around, she's been working here for 20 years. And yeah, so she knows it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. This room is actually the best room in the whole place. But that's as good as this gonna get today. If I was to do this again, I wouldn't do hot water extraction. I might do a hot water extraction next time and then go over it with the bonnet. We'll see how this dries up and see what the customer thinks. All right, well, much better than it was. Let's see if I can get some before and after screenshots of this. All right, see you in the next one.